Hi, everybody. My name is Baba Adam. The company is Universal Love Jewelry, and the website is the letter U, lovejewelry.com. Today, I'm going to make a ring. This is copper, copper soft 14 gauge wire. And I'll just describe the tools that I'm going to use to make this particular ring. And this is round nose pliers with a cutting edge. This is something that I make to wrap a ring around. Anybody could copy this here. You just get a little doll stick and make that. This is, of course, is a file. This is a ring bar, metal ring bar, and this is a hammer. So this is what we're gonna do. First, like when I do all of my videos, I start out generally with a file. I file the sharp edges so it don't cut anyone, starting with myself, and then I'm going to go to the other end and do the exact same. I was going to tell everybody it's going to be a surprise and guess what I'm going to make out of this wire, but that would be pointless because the description is going to be a ring, so I couldn't surprise anybody, so I'm so disappointed. Okay, now, okay, this particular, when I'm showing this particular move to everybody is that when you learn how to do this little simple thing right here, let me move these tools over here, out of the way. Okay, when you learn how to do this, it looks real simple and it is simple, but to do it right, you need to practice how to do it like that, right? Once you learn how to do this, there's many different things you could do. Um, you could bend this here back and make it what they call a eye pin, or you could create different things. You could finish off the jewelry with this here. So when I make this particular bend here, I'm showing everybody how to make many things starting out like this. So if you learn to perfect this, how to make it nice and round like this, and then there's another way to do it, just bending it back, but we're not going to do that with this particular ring. Okay, we're going to go here, 1, 2, 3. We're going to make that. See that? And once you do that, we're going to do the exact same thing on the other side. You go 1, 2, 3. And we're going to go around and around and around. Let's see, round. Like that. Two of those. See that? Make them touch. Round on both ends. Okay? Now, we're going to guesstimate. We're going to guesstimate the center of this. I'd say the center is about right. It's about right here. I'm going to take the center, turn this around like this, and bend it right in half, like that. See? Now I have something like this. That and that, right? Now I'm going to take this whole thing, I reached across myself, and I'm going to bend this around this bar right here. Around this bar. See that? Now I'm going to take the ring bar. I'm going to take the ring bar and I'm going to put it back on the ring bar. Take my hammer and knock this down. Knock this down. Alright? But now I'm going to take my hammer and hit it. I'm going to hit it here. Alright? Okay, let me see if we made a ring. Take it off the ring bar. Bend this here down. And bend this down. Okay, we have a ring in less than 8 minutes. See that? Very nice. Now let me tell you the real beauty in this ring. See, this ring right now, my pinky is a size 7. If you wanted to make this ring a size 8 or a 9 or 6.5, this ring is adjustable. You can make it in any size that you want. Very nice. Beautiful. Okay. I'm going to let everybody know again. I want you to check out the website and you'll see some of the things that we do. The website is the letter U, lovejewelry.com. Thanks.